Today I will cover a game between Vishwanathan Anand and Vasily Ivanchuk. This is a game from 1991 Lineage Chess Tournament. After this game I will show you the standings of this tournament. Okay, let's check out this game. So Vishwanathan Anand with the white pieces opened with e4. Now we have c5, knight to f3 and d6. So Vasily goes for the Sicilian defense. I have d4 just striking in the center. C captures on d4, knight captures on d4 and knight to f6. So this is all standard theory. Now knight to c3 and a6. So Ivanchuk goes for the knight or variation of Sicilian. Now bishop to c4 and e6. The Sojin attack. Now castles by white and now bishop to e7. Now bishop to b3 and castles by black. Now we have f4. We have now b5. Ivanchuk is preparing bishop to b7. Now we have a5. In this position, f5, Anand played f5 and f5 is the strongest move recommended by the engine. So f5 now and now b4. Just attacking this knight. Now we have knight to a4 and now e5. Now attacking this knight. After the knight moves, knight to e2, Ivanchuk played bishop to b7. And you can see there is a double attack on this pawn. Anand played bishop to g8, knight to g3. And in this position, can black capture this pawn because it is attacked twice? Okay, let's see what if black capture this pawn. After knight captures on e4, we have knight captures on e4 by black. This is just a line I am showing. Now we have bishop captures on e4. Now queen to g4. Just nicely attacking the bishop. Also preparing bishop to h6. And after you defend that bishop, let's say by playing d5, now bishop to h6 and white is threatening checkmate here. And the best defensive move is actually bishop to f6. Now white can play bishop captures on g7. After you capture the bishop, we have this crossing move f6, because you can capture with the queen because it is protected by the rook. And after you play bishop to g6, now we can capture this bishop. And after king captures on g7, rook a to d1 is possible, and there is a double attack on this pawn. If you want to defend that one, you have to play d4. Now this diagonal opens up, so the best move actually is knight to d7. After knight to d7, bishop captures on d5. Now knight to f6, just attacking the queen and the bishop. And after you move the queen to g3, now you can play knight captures on d5. Queen captures on e5 with check. This also connects with the knight. So if after f6, you can play queen captures on d5, queen captures on d5, rook captures, bishop captures on c2, and now knight to c5. Because this knight is under attack. After you move 8, now you can play, black can play rook f to c8. Now rook d7, rook to d7 with check, king to g8, now knight to e6, and now after b3, e captures on b3, bishop captures on b3 and knight to f4, and the game continues. And this position is fine for both. So after knight to g3, black can capture this pawn actually. Ivanchuk played knight b to d7. Now we have queen to e1, just adding another defender to this pawn. Now we have a5, c4 now, and now queen to c7, just developing the queen and connecting rooks. Now a queen to e2 and now rook f to c8. The bishop to g5 now, and now knight to c5. For the moment you can see this light square bishop is not doing all that much. It is just protecting this knight. Also this knight is out of the game because it is on a4 and it is not doing all that much. So we have now rook a to c1 and h6 just attacking this bishop. Now bishop to e3 and now knight c to d7, not allowing any knight captures. So we have now bishop to f2 and now rook to a6, rook to c2 now, and now queen to b8. So Ivanchuk is preparing queen to a8. Now rook to e1 and now rook queen to 8. Now you can see black is putting lots of pressure on this pawn. Now this is attacked 3 times. For the moment this is defended by the knight, queen and the rook, so this is not a problem. Now queen to d3 was played and now knight to g4. Knight to f1, so Anand is preparing knight to d2 and now knight d to f6. We have knight to d2 now and now knight captures on f2. King captures and now bishop to c6. Rook c to c1 and now queen to a7 with check. So you have to move. We have king to e2 by Anand and now rook to d8. Now bishop to d1 was played. Now Ivanchuk played d5. In this position the strongest move is d5. So Ivanchuk played d5. Now c captures on d5. In this position you can pause the video here and find the move that Ivanchuk played. This is the strongest move recommended by the engine in this position. If you found knight captures on d5, this is a move. After knight captures on d5, if you don't capture the knight, then knight to f4 is possible. This also win the queen with check. So you have to capture the knight. E captures on d5. Now we have rook captures on d5. Queen to b3 and now bishop to g5. Rook to c2 and now bishop captures on d2. After this bishop captures on d2 move, this is the move number 33. In this position Vishwanathan Anand resigned. He resigned because if you capture the bishop, then black can play bishop to b5 with check. And you can see this diagonal is covered by the queen and this is covered by the bishop. So you have to move to f3, and after king to f3 you can just capture this rook, and after queen to e3 just attacking this rook. Now queen to a8 check is possible, and here you have to block with the queen. If you go, and this is covered by the pawn, so you have only 2 options, either king to g4 or g3. If you go king to g3, then white will be checkmated soon. So because after queen captures on g2 with check, king to h4, now queen captures on h2 with check. After you block, black can play this queen to f4 check. In this position if you play king to h5, this is just checkmate in 1, so this is not possible. And if you block with the queen, then this will be checkmate because this queen is pinned. So this is checkmate, all the squares are covered. So best defensive move is bishop to g4. After bishop to g4, rook to, black can play rook to g6, and you can never capture this rook. If you capture this rook, then you will be checkmated. And you can go here because queen to g5 will be checkmate, and if you go here, then queen to f2 will be checkmate. So after this move you can capture the rook, and if you play rook to g1, then rook to g5 is possible. Then after queen to e3, just offering a queen trade, you have rook to h2 with check. After you block with the queen, now you can play rook to king to h5, and this bishop is pinned, so you can capture. You have to play king captures on h5, and now queen to g5 will be checkmate. So after this check, you can play king to g3 or g3 or g4, So you have to block with your queen. Now we have bishop to c6. Now this queen is lost, and after white plays something knight to c5, we have king to d8. Now g3. Now king to d4, bishop to e2, king captures on c5, queen captures on c5. Now queen captures on c6, rook captures on c6. Now rook to d1, queen to d5 with check, king to g4, queen to e4 with check, king to h3, rook captures on e2, and even just prolong the game by giving some check. Queen to h7. Now rook h8, rook to h8 with check, king captures on h8, g4. Now queen to g2 with check, now h4, and now queen captures on h2 with, and this is checkmate because all the squares are covered. So after this move, bishop captures on d2, Vishwanathan Anand resigned. Now I will show you the standings of this tournament. So this is the standings of this tournament. Actually Vasily Ivanchuk actually won this tournament. So that was the game. I hope you enjoyed that one. I will also cover more games from this tournament. So stay tuned for more updates.